Alright guys, once again welcome back to my channel, The Token Trackers, and in this video we are quickly going to talk about what I called the Middle East money. The Middle East money. It is actually the Synindra project, which I believe that the community already knows, and I believe that you are already participating. For those who are not participating, I'm still going to show you in this video how you can make money from this project. And for those who are already participating, you can keep on mining. And I know that most of you are having issues with the KYC, and most of you are already frustrated with the process in which the KYC is going, and then you are like, let me even give up, and so on and so forth. So in this video I'm quickly going to show you how you can make money from this project, even if you are not mining. How? Because there will definitely be a way. And for those who are wondering about the KYC, I'm going to make a separate video for that in the days ahead. So this is the Middle East money. From the way things are showing, it is actually going to be hot, and it is already selling in the black market. So if you are interested, you can invest into this token. If you have some spare money, make sure that you buy some Synindra tokens and hold. So, but before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. For miners, all you have to do is you have to be coming here to claim your tokens. And this project is actually, in fact, the way they made everything, they didn't do it to favor influencers. They didn't do it to favor some certain calibers of people. So whether you are newbie or how, you have the same tendency to be earning the same way I am earning, same way any other person is earning. So we are earning 2 Synindra tokens a day. So I will not, it is not a token, let me not call it a token, it is a coin, because they are going to list on their own blockchain. They have done their KYC in such a way that you have to register in a physical environment, in a physical place with your own self. So I'm going to discuss that in another video, but for this video, once you mind, you see your tokens are going to be here. So once you do a KYC, they will be migrated and sent to your wallet right here. So this is the wallet where I have, you can actually send and receive tokens, and it's very simple. If you come right here, you see you can send out, and then you can also swap right here, and then you like that, you can swap the native token in the exchange right here. So you see that I can't do that because I've not done the KYC. I need to complete the KYC before I'll be able to do that. But for sending, I can easily send. So once you click on send, you can see. So once you click on send, you see you can send. But for receiving, it's very simple too. You have to just come over here and then click on copy, and then you can send to the person who wants to send you Synindra tokens, and then they are going to send it right here. And then this has nothing to do with whether you have done the KYC or not. But for those who are scared, for those who don't want to put their tokens in the Synindra app, let me show you how you can import Synindra token in your OKX wallet. It means that you are going to do, if you import it on your OKX wallet, it means that you will be able to if let's say if you want to buy from somebody, you can go to your OKX wallet and then copy your address and send to that person. The person will not send your tokens. You will enter and stay in your OKX wallet, not on your Synindra app. So that means that you don't need to participate in this project before you'll be able to make money. Before we go into that, I've made a video about Online Plus, and it is a social platform owned by the ICE blockchain. I believe that the community have already joined. I told you to join and make sure that you are following me there, because we are very, very active in that platform, posting right there. So if you look at it, you see that I've made a post there on how to import Synindra on OKX Web3 Wallet. We are going to simply be following these steps. So step 1, you should open OKX Web3 Wallet. You can see I'm under wallet. This is OKX app. There is an exchange, and then there is wallet. So we are going to wallet, which is the Web3 right here. Come over to this section right here. You see this globe something, click on that, and then you're going to see that networks is going to appear like this. So once you go on that so you are going to swipe over, so you can come to custom network. So click on custom networks. Now this process, you can also do it on wallets such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask, but it is a bit tricky. I gave you this OKX Web3 because it is more comprehensive. It is in a way that you can easily understand faster. I might have to make another video for that if the community is interested. Now once you come over here, you're going to add network. So before we add network, so let's go back to the post. The first point says you should go to networks, click on add network if Sidra Chain isn't listed. If you come here, you see that nothing is listed right here. So let's go back. So point 2 says that enter this Sidra Chain network details manually. the network name is Sidra Chain, and then the RPC URL is this one right here. So let's click on this and copy it. Let's go back. So once we go back, let's click on add network now, and then the first thing we are going to enter is the network right here, which we have already seen there that it is Sidra Chain. So Sidra Chain, let's come and write the name of the network, Sidra Chain. So this is how it is. So this is how we are going to write. So the Sidra Chain. So the RPC URL is what I just copied, so we paste it. Now if you just put it from here, you are going to see that it is going to show invalid down here. Make sure that you add HTTPS and then colon and then this 2/ right here. You are going to see that the chain ID is going to just appear here. Now why did it appear? If you come back right here, you see that I provided a chain ID here, which is a bit different. Now if you come here, you see that this one automatically appeared here. The reason is simple. Sidra Chain has been registered on OKX Wallet, so that is why you see that this one just appeared automatically. So I believe that your own is definitely going to appear. So once it appears, the next thing we need is the symbol right here. So we are heading back to the same post, and you can see this is the currency symbol right here. It is SDA. So we just head back and then we write our SDA on the symbol. So we just come down and then write SDA. So this is it right now. So the next thing is the blockchain explorer. This one is also very important, so you have to head back and then you are going to see this is the blockchain explorer right here. So you just click on it. So we have copied it, so we are going to head back and then we paste right here at the blockchain explorer right here. So I'm going to cancel this one I added to exactly. So this is how it's supposed to be, and then you can see that we can now go ahead and do confirm. So let's click on confirm right here. So you see that automatically as I added, you see that it appeared here. So if you click here, you're going to see your address right here, so you can copy and send to anybody to receive tokens. Now if you do it and you didn't see this or you didn't see this, that is when you will need to continue with the other points on the post, which is point 4. Point 4 says then go and add token, custom token, and then paste the contract address. So this is the contract address of the Synindra. That is when you will need it. You will need to copy and then come to manage crypto to go through the process of adding it. But you see, you can see as we did ours, it just got here. So if you follow the steps I have shown you, yours is going to appear like this, and then you can start sending and receiving your Synindra tokens. This is Turkish money, this is Dubai money, this is United Arab Emirates money. In fact, this is the Middle East oil money. That is how I call it. So it is a project that I feel that you should not joke with it. So in my next video, I'm going to discuss with you about the KYC. So make sure that you hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't be missing out on that video. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.